Hello young artists, welcome to my channel Art Magic Kingdom, and today we are going to show how to draw Batman. So grab your pencil and let's get ready to draw his big face. So let's draw two lines and then we are going to join these two lines with a curve. Now we are going to draw his spooky ears. So for that we are going to draw a diagonal line coming down from both sides, and then we are going to join these lines with a small rainbow line. Next step is to draw his mask. For that we are going to draw again two diagonal lines and join them with a small line from the bottom of his face. Draw his eyes. We are going to draw a diagonal line on the right and similar line on the left side, and below these lines we are going to draw half circle. Next, to draw his mouth, we are going to draw a small straight line. And what next? So next part is to make his body, and for that we will draw a line from his face coming down. Yes, and the similar line we are going to draw from the other side. And now we will join these two lines with a straight line. So guys, are you enjoying the process? Now we are going to make his bell, and for that we will draw two straight lines, and then we will make his buckle in between by drawing two little lines. And let's draw two more lines at the side of his belt. Now we are going to draw his legs. For that we will draw an inverted U curve, but it should be a square U curve, and then from the mid of this curve we are going to draw a line straight touching his belt to draw his pants. And to draw the boots of Batman, we will draw another two lines here below the pants. So here are the boots of a Batman. What next? Now we will draw his cute little hands. Those are exactly not cute, but yes, we'll draw his hand by making J curve, and then we will add two little curves inside the hand to show the glove. So one little curve and another little curve on the other hand. Then again we are going to draw another curve over the bigger curve. So these are the little gloves of a big cartoon Batman. Now to draw his claws, we will draw small curve and the other curve over it. Yes, follow like what I'm doing. We will repeat the same process for the right hand. So these are the claws, and what next? Any guess? We are going to draw his cape, and for that we will draw a curve from the side of his face and little bumpy curves from the end of the cape till he's touching his body. Similarly, on the right side, we will draw a curve and then little curves towards his body, little bumpy curve. Yeah. So here is the cape of a Batman. After drawing the cape, I'm thinking what's missing? A Batman is ready or we are missing something? Yeah, his sign, Batman sign. So draw a V and above that we draw a smaller V. Yeah. And now we'll draw cape-like structure from the left and right. So we will draw a smaller curve on the right side, and similarly we will draw another curve from the left side and then join it to the bottom of V with one bumpy curve. Yeah, like the cape of Batman, and then we will color it black. So guys, our Batman is almost ready, and the next step is our favorite part. Let's color. So we are going to use gray color, yellow color and the peach color. Ready? So guys, keep drawing and exploring your creativity. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing. Thank you, bye bye and take care.